In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a rejected TikTok shop. If your application didn't go through, don't worry. This process focuses on working directly with TikTok support so you can understand the exact reason for the rejection and what to do next. First, open the TikTok app and go to the account that you used for your TikTok shop application. It's important that you're on the correct account because support will check details against the application you submitted. Before you reach out, have key information ready so you can move quickly: the date you applied, any reference or ticket codes you received, the region you're applying from, and a brief summary of what you think might have triggered the rejection. Only share details through the official in-app support chat when requested. Next, head to the Help Center. From your profile, open Settings and Privacy, then look for Support and tap Help Center. This is where TikTok decentralizes guidance and live assistance. If you see relevant articles about TikTok shop rejections, you can skim them for context, but the core action here is to use the live support option. Now, select Chat with Us. Start the conversation by clearly stating your goal. For example, my TikTok shop application was rejected. I'd like to know the specific reason and the steps to fix it. Include concise, factual details like your region, the date of rejection, and any reference number you have. Ask for the exact rejection reason, the required documents or corrections, and the correct format for resubmission. If they request files, make sure photos and scans are clear, names and addresses match across documents, and everything is up to date. Keep your message simple and professional. Short paragraphs help agents review your case faster. Follow the instructions the Help Center provides exactly. If they ask you to update business information, correct product details, or re-upload verification documents, do that before returning to the chat. Confirm turnaround times, whether you need to wait for a new review, and how you'll be notified. It's a good idea to save the ticket number and the chat transcript for reference. If the chat disconnects or the queue is busy, try again later. Availability can vary by time zone. Be patient, as reviews can take a bit of time. Avoid submitting multiple duplicate requests unless support tells you to. Check your notifications and email for updates. And once you receive the new decision, proceed as instructed. That's it. Open your TikTok account, go to the Help Center, use Chat with Us, explain the rejection clearly, and follow the guidance they provide. Stay organized and precise, and you'll give your application the best chance to be approved.